Hi, this is Story Sparks with the Greensboro Children's Museum. My name is Stephanie, and today's book is Kindness Rocks by Sonica Ellis. Kindness Rocks by Sonica Ellis. This book is dedicated to all those people who practice random acts of kindness. Clara is a young girl who likes to collect rocks. She gathers them up along the creek's edge and then brings them home to decorate. Once home, Clara paints pictures and words of kindness on the rocks and leaves them outside her gate for all to see. One day, Sheldon the turtle came slowly moping by Clara's gate. Sheldon was feeling a bit down when suddenly he looked up and saw Clara's decorated rocks. Sheldon could not believe his eyes. One rock said, "You are beautiful." Another said, "I love you." Still another read, "You are amazing." By the time he finished reading all of the messages, he was grinning from ear to ear. Sheldon went as fast as he could, which was not very fast, and told his best friend Benny Bunny. Benny was so impressed that he told Merle the squirrel. Merle told Nibbles the mouse, and Nibbles told Harry the skunk, from a safe distance, of course. And so it went until all of the animals in the area had gathered around to see the kindness rocks. Every day the animals came to see the pretty pictures and kind messages painted on the rocks, and each time they brought a new friend along to share in the happiness the rocks brought. The messages would change every few days, but they were always words of kindness and encouragement, and they always made whomever read them feel happy. Although it could be hard work sometimes, Clara never seemed to grow weary of creating and sharing her kindness rocks, until one day she had to say goodbye to her home. You see, Clara and her family were moving to a bigger house because Clara was going to be a big sister. On that day, Sheldon, who did not know that Clara's family had moved away, arrived at the gate to find there were no more kindness rocks. Sheldon sat quiet for a long time, feeling sad that there would be no more kind words for he and his friends to read each day, until suddenly he had an idea. Little Sheldon rushed back home as fast as he could, which was not very fast. Once home, he gathered his markers and art supplies, removed his shell, and went to work. When he was done, he went back to the gate to find all of his friends disappointed that there were no more kind words to read. But Sheldon showed off his newly decorated shell, bringing smiles to their faces. You see, anyone can be kind, and as Sheldon and his friends discovered, kindness rocks. Kindness and love are never wasted, and kind people are the best people. Thanks for reading with me today. In the story, we met Clara, who uses art to spread kindness in her community. In today's activity, we're going to make our very own kindness rocks. For this activity, gather some rocks and paint just like Clara did in the story. If you got your rocks from outside, you're going to want to wash and dry them first. Then, think about the messages that you want to write on your kindness rocks. When you're finished decorating your rocks, think of a special place to display them. Maybe along the sidewalk or another place where someone might walk by and read your kind messages.